Hey guys, I think today is not my day. My phone is too hot, so it can't work. I'm very tired now, so we need to sound check, right? We need to sound check. Sound check. Okay, so I check on my phone now. Please wait a minute, okay? Just a moment, okay? I know my English is not very well, but I can just speak English right now, and I want to speak English. Okay, it's gone. For what? For what? For friend? No. I want to speak my English. Okay. Wait a minute. I want to speak my English fluent. So I need to speak very loud. I need to try to be American, or I think just American, okay? I need to try to be American, so I need to speak English, no Chinese. So my English speaking skill will be improved, right? And I said I need to sound check, right? I forgot it. Sorry. I need to sound check. Sound set. I think how to say this? This is, wait. Live streaming. This live streaming is work, so my sound is great. I think because my internet is very slow, and I share my 4G internet for 2 phones and 1 computer, so my internet is very slowly. It's hard to use, so I need to wait, and wait, you know, just wait. I just what I can do, I just can't wait, you know. It's very hard to use, just like my English speaking skill, just like my English speaking skill is very, very slow, and my vocabulary is very, very less. It's vocabulary, right? Right? No, not this. Okay. I need to check because I forgot what is vocabulary. I forgot what is vocabulary. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's vocabulary, right? Oh. So, my English vocabulary is too less. But the good news is I know what is vocabulary. I remember what is vocabulary. Wow. Vocabulary. Sorry, that is Chinese. Chinese. How to say that? Sorry, wait. Vocabulary. Okay. Chinese. Cavity. Can I say that? Chinese cavity. 那个中文腔，有人这样讲的吗？终于忍不住讲出中文了，糟！ Chinese cavity 有人这样用吗？ I think I don't have time to do this right. I have a lot of work need to do today. And what do I do? Wow. You know, I spend my time to some not important things. So, where is my time? Wow, this question is very hard to answer, you know. And okay, I just said I want to speak like Jackson Wang. And why is Jackson Wang? Because I use voice TV to practice my English, and voice TV have okay. Voice TV have the practices sentence. How to say that? We need to to do this. Oh, the internet is slowly again. I need to wait a minute, okay? Today I am tired. I think maybe I use Wi-Fi share to my computer, and Wi-Fi is working too hard or something like that. So my internet is very slow.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization or reorganization. Sorry. Reorganization, right?
Single sentence reorganization.
Reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganizations. Okay. Like, what is it? 单句重组 and single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization.
Single sentence reorganization. And why my phone looks so strange? Because I put it on the... What did I say this? I put my phone on the what? Okay, sorry. On the phone. Phone what? Wait. Oh, I put my phone on a mobile phone holder. Mobile phone holder. Mobile phone holder. 手机架 mobile phone holder. 原来这么简单啊。Okay, I put my phone on mobile phone holder. Why do I do this? Because I don't want to use my hand. It's very tired, you know. And if I want to... Oh, I forgot how to say that. If I want to live streaming吧.
Live streaming.
If I want to live streaming, 如果我想要直播, I need to put my phone on a mobile phone holder. Why? Because I don't want to hold my phone on my hand. I need two hands to work, to writing some sentence, writing some how to say that? Writing some Sorry. I need to write some. Article 文章 I need to write some article 我需要写一些文章 So I need 2 hands Okay, I need 2 hands Oh, sorry My How to say that My cam is to what? Is too close, but I don't want to change because I'm tired now and my phone is too hot twice. You know, it's twice. It's not once. It's twice. Today, twice. And I sound check twice. No, it's not twice. It's third. Can I say that? I use my old iPhone. Do my live streaming in the first. And then the old iPhone is too hot. So it can't work. Just don't work. It just closed and the iPhone right is too hot so the iPhone can't work and then I just change my phone. I change this phone to open the live streaming in the second time. And what? You know what? I open in the second time, but this phone is too hot. Either. Wow. And it just closed. Don't work again. So I just take my old iPhone and open my live streaming in the third time. You know, it's third time. Today I open my live streaming. Sorry, wait. I forgot how to say that. My memory.
Live streaming.
My memory is not very well. Can I say memory? Yeah, memory. My memory is not very well, so I just can't remember too much thing in my mind because I am tired and I need to remember too much, very much. I need to learn. I need to practice. I want a lot of knowledge, so I need to learn very hard and practice very hard. So my memory is not very well, you know. I am very tired, but I need to do this. I want to be another person, just not like before or now. I want to be a better person. In the future, I have a picture, I have a picture. I have my image. Can I say image? Let me see. Maybe it works, right? I can set image. I can set picture. I want to be a person, not like just the before. Not like before myself. I want to be a better person. Like Ariel, like Miyabi, like Roland. Can I say Roland? Let me see. Roland.
Roland.
Oh, Roland.
Roland.
Roland. I want to just like Ariel, Miyabi, Roland.
Roland.
Roland. And I want to be who? Harry. I want to be let me think about it. I want to be just like that, I want to be a good person, and I want to be an American. So I practice English very, very hard because I want to go America. I want to go US. Why? Because Ariel, Nickelback, Juris Johnson, Linkin Park, and Mirror 5, and who? I like a lot of American singer and band. Green Day and JC, man, how to say his name? JC. It's not Pinkman. It's McCartney. Can I say that? Wait. McCartney. Oh. And Jesse McCartney. Jesse McCartney. And who? Rihanna. Taylor. And The Heavy. The Heavy is a band. I like this song. It's Sing O is a good song, It's very rock. It's very rock and very high, So I want to play that song is Sing O. But where is my song? Where? Wait a second, okay? I want to find a song. Oh no. Why? I don't have this song in my computer. Wow. Wait a second, okay? Okay. So my computer don't have this song, Sing O. I need to find on the YouTube. Wait a second. I find it on YouTube, okay? Hey guys, my English speaking skill you think is good, or I need to practice hardly, or I need to speak quickly, or I need to learn more vocabulary, or I need to sorry, it's no reaction. My website is no reaction. Why? Oh my gosh. Okay. I want to ask you guys. I want to ask you guys. Do I need to improve my grammar? My English grammar is my weakness point. Can I say that? My grammar is very need to improve, because I don't know how the grammar rule, I don't know the grammar's rule, so I don't understand, I don't understand the English grammar rule, so my English is not very well. I think I just think my English is not very well, because my vocabulary is not too much, I just maybe I speak is not very slowly. I can speak quickly, but my vocabulary, my vocabulary is not very large. Just it's too less, but I don't in this 3 months or 6 months, maybe 1 year, I am not use the app to learn new words because I am busy. I just in 2024 I use the app is what it is. I see, wait a minute, I use the app learn English word. Wait. What is that? I forget. Oh, sorry. What is that? 单字库。In 20, oh sorry, oh my gosh. In 2024, I use this 单字库 to learn English word, but it's too tired because it don't have, I think it don't have logic, just just every day the new 10 English word, and I just see that and okay, what is that? Just I don't use it in my life. I just see the word and I remember I doing my test. I passed my test, but I forgot. I forgot just because I don't use that. And I just not use 单字库而已. I used a lot of app like what is that? I think about it. The toast. I use the toast. 英文多益知识网 This in 2024 and超级单字网 This app is funny. I think it's funny. It's just like play the game, We can doing the test, test. And the picture is very cute. Just like a game, And you can challenge yourself. Like this. And you can do your vocabulary box or note, and you can play it. It's funny, 天下一单字会天下第一单字会天下第一舞蹈会 just it's funny, I think, but I'm too tired. I use a lot of app in 2024, just vocabulary and 刷酷